I think my lashes were stolen by a big UK beauty company. Let's talk about it. So I'm going to cut straight to the chase. Back in June, I applied for a competition to design a pair of lashes for a beauty company. This company is very, very well known amongst the UK. They are, I would say, the biggest lash company there is in all of the UK. So I did see their competition on Instagram and I decided I'm going to apply because I had this lash idea since years ago and I just fully believed I'd win. So I entered the competition, I did a drawing, I'll put the picture here. What I didn't realise was that it's going to be public voting. So it wasn't like the most prettiest picture, but I had the details, I knew what was going on there. It's very like scientific. I said who it would be for, who like the ideal customer was, what type of lashes they were, colours, band type. I did it in a very manufacturing way because that's how my brain works. The idea then got to put on Instagram and obviously everyone else's was really, really pretty and I thought, I don't stand a chance because mine was black and white and it looked really unappealing, I'd say. It, from a customer point of view, you'd look at it and be like, no, compared to the other competitors. So anyway, my lashes got put on the competition. Unfortunately, it was a public vote and I did not win, sadly. I think I was last, I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, it is what it is, that's the way it goes. And they then announced the winners and said, we will be making your lashes in the new year, we can't wait to work with you. I was like happy to be part of it, so I congratulated everyone. I was like, well done anyway, like congratulations on your design, on winning, like so happy for you. Because I was very happy that they'd won. Obviously I was a bit gutted that I didn't win, but hey ho, is what it is. The new year comes, literally by this point I'm not even thinking about the competition, like it's gone over my head, I don't even know. Then one evening I'm scrolling on Instagram and I see some lashes and I'm like, they look nice. I like those, they look like the ones I designed. Oh wait, they're from the brand that I sent it to. Oh wait, I think they're my lashes. So I think this brand have designed my lashes anyway. They said they'd design the winners ones in the new year, which obviously they probably will do. But then I feel like they've designed mine in the new year, like first, like literally, like I think it was like 6th of January they got put on. And then my lashes, I'm sure they're my lashes. People might say they're a very generic sort of look, like they're very like, they're just like a wispy lash, like I get that. But there's so many minor details that we don't have. So I designed the black and brown lash, like I wanted the both. I designed a specific style, a specific like length on either side. And these are identical to the ones I've designed. I don't know if the brand actually have the rights to my design now. I do not know what's going on. But these are my lashes. They've just got them and made them. And I was like, gutted, honestly. I was really, really gutted. I was like, they are my lashes. I don't know, even if they made them and they messaged me saying, we really, really love them, we want to make them. When we make them, we'll send you a pair. I'll be like, oh my God, yay, like I'm really glad. It feels like they're completely just gone behind my back, taken my design and made the lashes anyway. I don't know if I'm being dramatic. I know they're like a really generic style of lash. I do not know if I'm being dramatic, but it just hurts my feelings. It genuinely hurts my feelings because I feel like these are the lashes I designed and I took time and I literally dreamt over. I wanted these lashes for so long and they were going to be like my bridal lash and I loved them. So I thought the only way to check how close they are to my lash is to buy them. So I went out to Boots and I purchased the lashes like a good person would. You probably might know which brand it is anyway, but I'll cover it. So here are the lashes that I like, well, here are my lashes. So I had to buy them, I had to see. When I looked online, I thought, oh, they actually might be slightly bigger than the ones I made, like the lashes look bigger. When I saw them in person, my heart dropped because I thought they are my lashes. They're literally my lashes. They literally look exactly how I would have designed them, like the colour, the everything, like. But anyway, we're gonna make it fair. On my design, luckily, I put measurements and I put details. So I'm gonna measure and check these lashes and see if they are mine, if they've literally copied them word for word. Here are the lashes out of the packaging. They look absolutely phenomenal. Anyway, so they look exactly how I would have done them. So I'm going to get up my picture and we're going to compare. Because there are a few things that straight from the bat I was like, that's mine. Things that are straight away that are like, oh, this is all me. This is like what I did. which obviously these are quite a few generic ones. So on my part of my design, let's just zoom in here, I put a mix of black and brown lashes for a natural yet enhancing look. So obviously the brand, which is fine, I've got from their Naturals range, because it's the natural yet enhancing look. It's also a black brown lash, which it is. There we go, there's your black brown fibres there. So I have put the lightweight and comfortable feel, which obviously they've also got the lightweight, which again is generic words, like the black brown is generic, the lightweight obviously, and again quite a generic lash word. We've got the smaller inner corner and longer fluttery outer corner. They've got the smaller inner corner and the longer fluttery outer corner. It is a wispy style effect, so is theirs. They've put that on the box. And then I didn't want them to be too curled. I wanted a gentle curl. So I went with a lash curl of C. I don't really know how to tell, but if anyone is a lash girly and you know, what style of lash is this? Because it's giving C curl. They look so nice, I will admit, they do look very, very nice, but I just can't help but feel like it's my design. Anyway, so I have put my measurements on there. So I decided to go for a 14mm longer length from the outer corner and an 8mm on the inner corner because I thought it was very, very flattering. So I have got myself a measuring tape, and today we are going to measure to see if it is actually a 14 and an 8, because that could change the whole thing. Let's have a look. So I'm going to start with the inner corner because it's easier, it's by me. 8mm! Do you look at that? That's nice. I personally would agree with that. I think an 8mm is really, really good. So it's a lovely 8mm on the inner corner. I personally would recommend an 8mm as well. Let's measure the outer corner now. Because I put 14, but a lot of places do 12. So it may be a 12. I don't know. It may be a 14. That is a tricky one. It almost looks like 13. God, I think it's like a 13. It's definitely like the same sort of style. It's looking 13, but I didn't know if you could get a 13 style length. That's another thing to point out. I actually did get in contact. So when I saw these lashes on Instagram, I ended up commenting being like, oh my God, you've made my lashes. Yay, like, does that mean I win? They didn't reply to me. They replied to everyone else in the comments, but not me. And then I also messaged on the original competition post and they didn't reply, which I get because that was in the past. And then I actually emailed a lady that works at the company and I just said the same sort of thing. I was like, oh, I see you've made my lashes, like, does this mean I've won? Like, how does it work? Blah, blah, blah. And they said that they designed these lashes in the past before I had entered. They're identical though. I don't know how long it takes to manufacture a lash. She just said these were made before I had made mine. So maybe they were. Who knows? I don't know if I'd signed up to some sort of terms to say, take my life, take my soul, and take my everything. So maybe I did. Maybe I was oblivious, but I just need advice. Am I being stupid? Do you think this looks like my design? I know it's quite generic. Wispy lashes are quite generic, but the brown, black, I had visions of, like 2025 vision, brown, black, girly lashes all around. It's just everything. It's the style of the lash. It's literally how the colours are. Everything is everything I've designed. Everything's identical. It just seemed like a bit of a weird thing. Anyway, I'm going to try them on and we'll see what they look like on. Okay, and then here are the lashes on. So they do look very, very nice. Like, I'm not obviously going to fault how they look, how they applied. They apply really nicely. They've got that nice thin flexible lash band. They are really, really nice lashes. But I just can't help feeling that they're my own. They are my own little lashes that I designed in my bedroom. Let me know what you think. Do you think these are my lashes? Am I just being stupid? Like, I just need to know. I don't know if I'm just being stupid, just sat in my room, just like thinking about this. It's just, for what they are and timing wise and everything, it just seems really like lines up. Everything sort of just lines up. So let me know what you think. I need some advice. If I'm wrong, just tell me I'm wrong. I'll take it. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry it's a bit of a dramatic one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!